Boost your bottom line with the Hornet XD, a heavy-duty CNC plasma cutting machine built for serious performance, precision, and uptime. Transfer files fast with a front-access USB port and take control with powerful, easy-to-use Hypertherm CNC controls. The XD's heavy steel frame is built to last, engineered for unmatched rigidity and accuracy. Hypertherm technologies come standard, including true hole, rapid part, remote support, and consumable optimization, giving you industrial-grade cut quality and consistency. Hornet backs you with real support, remote diagnostics, on-site installation and training, and preventative maintenance to keep your system running strong. Every cable and gas line is protected by rugged sheet metal covers and enclosed carriers, designed for durability in tough shop conditions. With helical rack and pinion drives, dual linear ways on the cross-axis, and a Z-axis lifter powered by precision ball screws and magnetic seals, the Hornet XD delivers smooth, precise motion with every cut. Features like a Crosshair laser speed up alignment. Add plasma contour beveling for full 360 degrees motion and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Rapid part technology boosts throughput, while plasma marking lets you label, score, and identify parts directly on the material. True Hole creates bolt-ready holes with accuracy you can trust. And with AeroClean zone downdraft tables and integrated fume extraction, the Hornet XD keeps your workspace cleaner and safer. Increased productivity. Reduced setup time, scrap, and cost per part. Hornet XD, built to take the hit. Back to keep you cutting.